Everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we are talking about the XRP Ripple coin, friends. What is the next move of XRP and what is the next target of XRP Ripple coin? In this video I will show you, friends, and I will also share my technical analysis with all of you, friends. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new to my channel, so please I request all of you that please click the subscribe button and like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos. I hope you all subscribe my channel. So let's start the video, friends, and let's move on. Let me show the technical analysis of the XRP Ripple coin, friends. So as you can see here now on the chart, that is the XRP Ripple coin trading volume, and as you can see here the chart of, let me zoom it. As you can see here now, as you can see here, they start moving upward, and as you can see here now, this time they very fastest moving of the XRP at this time, especially this time. And my target for the XRP, you can see here, that is my target for the XRP. The blue lines represents, as you can see here, friends, that is I'm talking about this. And after crossing this target, they approximately they hit this target on this point, friends. They gradually slowly start moving upward like that. And as you can see here now, at this time I draw a rocket, friends. So from this point there is a lot of chances to the XRP Ripple coin will go to the moon if they don't fast occur, if there is no any kind of not if there is no fast occur in the XRP Ripple coin in this point. So absolutely I'm 100% sure that after that they will be ready for the moon, friends. The big jump of the XRP Ripple coin are coming soon in the future if in this jump there is no kind of fast occur in the XRP Ripple coin, friends. So that's my target, and as you can see here the green line represent the support and the resistance line, and as you can see here this time they make a triangle. As you can see here, let's focus about this, is they make a triangle, friends. So same like that, they also move like that. As you can see here, they will make a triangle here. Let me show all of you. As you can see here now, this time that is the, they make this kind of triangle, same like that in the future, friends. So absolutely they very fastest moving up, but in this time, if there on this line, if there is no fast occur in the XRP Ripple coin, so I believe that there is a big jump occur in the XRP Ripple coin if there is no jumps occurs in the XRP Ripple coin, friends. So how was my technical analysis? Please also tell me in the comment box, and also share your prediction, also share your target for the XRP Ripple coin in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.